Hello traders, the title of the video is how to trade the stochastic indicator using top-down trading method like a pro. Alright, let's get started. Before we continue, I would like to remind traders that I may title this video Activision Blizzard Incorporation, or I may title this video How to Trade Activision Blizzard Incorporation using a top-down trading method with the stochastic indicator. This is a technical analysis of the Activision stock, alright, using a top-down trading method. But suppose you were not trading this stock, all right? What can you learn from this video? Now, what you can learn from this tutorial is that you will learn how to trade the stochastic indicator using a top-down trading method. So though sometimes traders may think that I'm repeating myself, it's not, because I am analyzing a specific stock, okay, with a specific trading method. So the top-down trading method with the stochastic, analyzing only in this case Activision stock. Right? Well, let's get started. We have a beautiful trading setup here. One of the reasons also why I'm recording the video, because I promised a TST trader that I will get back to him, and I have been a little bit busy lately. So I'm recording this video and I will be sending it to that trader also later on today. All right. So this is a very beautiful stochastic trading setup here that we have. It's a bearish trading setup. You can see that the price going up first, you see up to this point, and then pull back. If we apply Fibonacci extension from the move, okay, from here to here, the price at which level? At 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. What do we know about that Fibonacci extension level is that bullish breakout will occur above that level and bearish signal will occur below it. So at this junction where the price is at now at $58.19, talking about Activision Blizzard Incorporation, an American stock that belongs to the NASDAQ 100, Epic ATVI, Alpha Tango Victor India, alright. The price of 161.8% Fibonacci extension level prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below. But now what that got to do with the stochastic? The stochastic 833 is also overbought. Now when the stochastic is overbought, this is for traders that want to understand the stochastic, it means that the price is at a resistance level. In this case, we have what we call a hidden resistance level, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. So my stochastic 833 has done a very good job to point to me that, George, you are now at a resistance level. And I say, where is it? I can't see it. And the stochastic say, look at the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. All right. So that's what we got so far. But if we want to trade a stochastic indicator using a top-down trading method, we need to find first, a high probability trading setup. Now, very often, high probability trading setup will have will satisfy 2 or 3 authentication. What do I mean by authentication, George? Now, so the first authentication is that the price is below the moving the 161.8% level, which is a resistance zone. So we want to have at least 2 indication, all right, that the trading setup is a high probability trading setup, all right. So if I give you one example here, so one example again here, you can see the structure of the price. Minimum price move is 3. I went up 1, then it pulled back, all right, that's 2, and then it went up again, that's 3. So 1, 2, 3, all right. So that's what it did. It went up by 1, 2, 3, structure to go to a resistance level, and the stochastic is overbought. What I would say to traders that are using the swing 240 trading method, I have recorded a video that I posted at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel talking about price structures. I highly recommend that video. Yeah, this is it. The title of that video at digit 4 stock trader 24 stock trader YouTube channel. The title of that video is simple day trading strategy using specific price structure. Is it the one? Let me look more. Don't go away, stay with me please. I'm still here, just looking. I think that's the video. All right, check that video. And I was talking about the price structure. So if you are using a stochastic, you can combine the stochastic trading with the minimum price move is free. So for instance, in this case like this, somebody who is using the free swing 240 trading system, here it is, the stochastic, but we use a different time frame. We use the 4-hour time frame for that trading method, or swing 240. But nothing, my friend, nothing should stop you. If you see on a monthly chart, all right, see like this on a monthly chart, go to the 4-hour time frame and see whether the price or the stochastic is also overbought on the 4-hour time frame, and then use the swing 240 trading system. That's how I would say to trade it this way. But the point I'm banging on here is that the price at 161.8% level, and then we have again 1, 2, 3. We can combine the minimum price for 1, 2, 3 with the stochastic, okay, to confirm the validity of a trading setup. So high probability trading setup will satisfy 2 or 3 verifications. All right, that's what we call authentication. So price below 161.8% Fibonacci extension level, that's one verification. Second verification, minimum price move is free, good. The stochastic is overbought, pointed to us a resistance level. But that's not yet finished. So how do we trade the stochastic indicator using a top-down trading method? So now I can declare that I have a bearish trading setup. But that bearish trading setup is only valid below the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. You see that we have a hammer, and the second candle on the monthly, I'm now on the monthly chart. And the second currency buy is coming up bearish. Okay, people start selling a bit. Nothing can stop the price to go back up again. All right, so that's why we want to use a different time frame trading method. We are not selling because the stochastic is overbought. We are selling because the price is also at a resistance level, and we are seeing a bit of weakness. And the price structure is also telling us that as long as the price failed to go above the $58.19, which means minimum price move is free, the price failed to go above that high, we must give priority to bearish signal. So those are the reasons why we want to trade the overbought stochastic. All right, we are not selling just because the stochastic overbought. If you look here, it was overbought, but the price was going up. All right, so this is it. So if you were here and the stochastic became overbought for the first time here, where I'm moving my vertical line, it's just indicating to us that the price is at a resistance level. All right, and now though the stochastic was still overbought, now the price breaks above it and retests it, and people bought it. You see, so we are trading the price, not the stochastic itself. So if the stochastic is overbought and the price breaks above a resistance level and finds support, we implement a top-down trading method to trade it. This is what has happened here. All right. So again here, that's why we draw the horizontal line to avoid making the same mistake, to highlight the resistance level that the stochastic pointing to us. So if it breaks above it and finds support, well, we will trade the price and we will ignore the overbought condition and buy instead. So now here we are, we have a bearish trading setup. Let's begin the top-down trading method. So because I'm on a monthly chart, all right, for swing trading purposes, my signal will be on the daily chart. Let's go to the daily chart and see whether there is a signal. Okay, we are now on the daily chart of Activision stock. Daily chart Activision. Okay, going to remove some of those lines here. Oops, I moved my 58, that level 161.8% level. That's it. All right. So is there a signal on this daily chart? Look carefully. We are here. That's where the signal is. Is there a signal? Okay, that's the first indication to us that there is a bit of weakness developing here. Price forming equal high, failing to display a new high. In fact, if you look carefully, there is already a signal. See, if I push it a bit, all right, if I push it a bit like this, up more. Hold on, please, traders. I'll get this soon, all right. Or in fact, if we use a pitchfork tool, because okay, let's not complicate the matter. You see, the price form a double top on a daily chart. Now the common centralized kaput. We can sell after that. You see here, this candlestick bar here, a break below, and this one open here and rally up to retest that trend line. Color it in red. That's a signal there. That's the signal there. Break below, retest. After forming a double top, we will sell here. It's a good place to sell. We place our stop loss above. If you were not here and you fail to enter here, you will wait for the price to rally up again to form another lower high before you will sell. If the common set line is kaput, what I meant is that if you were not here and you did not enter, you did not see the signal here, you allow the price one more time, okay, to rally up a bit to form a new lower high, okay. And if the common set line is kaput, you do exactly the same thing like we did here. Or as the price dip below that key level, all right, another way that we can sell is to allow a rally to retest that break below, retest, all right, and then if we find a resistance there, we will go to the hourly time frame to sell it, all right. But the point I was making at the beginning is that in fact there was another signal. What I was trying to do is to draw a common trend line along this. You see this move here, common trend line along it. Pay attention to that blue line. I draw it quite close to the price on the daily chart. That's the common trend line on the daily chart. You can see that the price break below that common trend line and retest it here. Okay, the smart professional traders, for them, okay, their signal is the retest here, and as the price was retesting that common trend line, what do they need to do? They need to go now to the hourly time frame. So monthly chart, daily chart for the signal, and hourly time frame for the entry. So now you want the hourly time frame because of this common trend line is kaput. You want to enter the trade. Again, you want to see, this is what a lot of traders are struggling with, a rally. You see, so I'm talking about a rally, and the common trend line is kaput. You see, this price try to go up to the moving average 14. Okay, it's a bit tricky here on the hourly time frame. How do they play that? Well. See, it's two candlesticks back down before one push it to retest it here. That candlestick back there, retesting that common trend line on the hourly time frame. After that, you want to look for an opportunity to sell. So once that candlestick bar is closed on the hourly time frame, you can drop it down again to the 10-minute time frame if you want to see if the price start going down, and then you will gently sell it, carefully sell it. Because the reason why I'm using the word gently and carefully means that you don't want to sell it and you are taken out of the trade. You don't want to sell it and be put under pressure. You want to gently sell it. All right. If you couldn't enter here, you look for another lower high. This is a professional controlling this stock very much. It can make it a bit tricky for a lot of trade, because what he did, he pulled back, forming a new lower low. You see here, this is a new lower low, and retest the moving at 14. Wow, this is quite it's a professional trading, entering the trade on the hourly time frame. You need to be very careful. So the trick is that you want to enter the trade at early stage, so you can hide your stop loss somewhere there. Because if you are entering here, you need to be very careful, because sometimes the price may bounce up, take you out. So you want to enter where the signal is fired on the daily chart, somewhere near that level. in this zone, you want to enter near that zone. This is a good place here on the hourly time frame to enter it and let it roll it down. As the price going down, you want to check the daily chart, okay, to manage the trade. What do I mean? You are selling, the price looking for a better support level. Where are the support levels? So if I use a conservative, you're ignoring the tail of this one here. I will say now we are support level. You can see as you drop it down, you see the tail. Some traders came out here, swing traders. If you do not want to come out, you can just move your stop loss to the entry point, which means you move your stop loss to break even, so you are not risking anything anymore. This is about, okay, how to trade a stochastic indicator using a top-down trading method like a pro. Now, I need to remind traders that I say that we are repeating the same thing, is that this video is about technical analysis about Activision Blizzard on the monthly chart using a top-down trading method. However, we do not want to give that title to this video. We want to give the title, How to Trade a Stochastic Indicator using a top-down trading method like a pro, which is true. Now, we are using the monthly chart for the trading setup for Activision. Then we use the daily chart for the signal. And then we use the hourly time frame for the entry. If there is a duplicate content, we may not allow the video at all. They will cancel it. They will know that you have said the same thing many times. They will just not allow you to upload the video, all right? Unless those who are putting those comments are our competitors, try to, okay? And maybe they have a different agenda. All right. Okay? So this is it. Top-down trading method using a stochastic indicator. So I want to go back again. But in fact, the reason why I'm recording this video also, as I told you, is because a trader, I promised a trader that I will record a video. So you can see stochastic overboard. We check we try to certify whether it's a valid trading setup. Okay. We check the price now, 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. Prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below. Stochastic overboard is pointing to us that 161.8% Fibonacci extension level, which is a hidden resistance level in this case for Activision stock. We also notice that the price has exhibited 1, 2, 3. Minimum price move is 3. Candlestick bar are looking bearish here. Now, we are satisfied with the trading setup. So we look first. We verify whether we have a good trading setup before we even implement a top-down trading method. If the trading setup is not solid, it's pointless to even consider a top-down trading method. The top-down trading method will not save, so to speak, will not save, all right, the useless trading setup, all right. So we want to don't use only the stochastic overboard. Check other things. So stochastic overboard plus what, plus what, plus what, okay? That's what we want to check. And then, all right, from there, if you are satisfied that it's solid, all right, then you implement the top-down trading method. So you may say to me, George, I don't use the monthly chart like you. I don't have the same trading style like you. I use the daily chart. So if you are using a daily chart, the daily chart will be for your trading setup, the hourly time frame for the signal, and the 10-minute time frame for the entry. You say, George, I hate the daily chart. I love the 4-hour time frame. Then you use the 4-hour time frame for the setup, 15-minute time frame for the signal, 5 minutes or 3 minutes for the entry. So you say to me, George, I love the weekly chart. Then weekly chart, 4-hour time frame or 2-hour time frame for the signal, and 15-minute time frame for the entry. All right, and so on and so on. All right. So this is about how to trade the stochastic indicator using top-down trading method like a pro. Stochastic that we are using, the Stochastic 833, and the financial instrument that we were analyzing is Activision Blizzard Incorporation, belonging to the technology sector, electronic gaming, and multimedia. If you have any question or suggestion, this is the time to put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah blah blah, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade a stochastic indicator using a top-down trading method like the Pro. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.